Hi, let's install Moon Animator for free. Let's go. As you can see, I don't have a plugin. We write a search query in Google and find the GitHub website. Download the plugin in zip format. At the bottom of the page, we will need another plugin for installation and another file here. The plugin weighs 1.2 gigabytes. Open Roblox Studio. Go to the plugin manager. I go to the download folder since I have already downloaded the files and installed the second plugin. And now I just need to move these files to the plugin folder and unzip.